Hey, hi friends. So today I am going to explain about one of the interview questions. There is nothing but find the loop in the given linked list. So as the input of this program, you will get a one node. Node might be any means either the linear linked list or it might be in the it will be the loop, right? So loop it means that like if you will see this is the node and last element f is again it is pointing to the one of the node, or it might be the pointing to the this one, any one of the node which is already exist, or even though here if it is thin also we can say that this is the loop is exist. So any loop if it is exist then we can return the true, otherwise we will return the false. So logic is very simple. What we will do always we will start with the head, okay, and there is a like example as a first pointer ptr1. If you can understand ptr1, just I am giving here and this is the p2 will be the kind of the first node. This will move two a step ahead, and pointer 1 will be moved one step ahead, and this always it will be moved two a step ahead. And recursively once this point two pointed will be moved, and anywhere if we will found key pointer 1 equal to pointer 2, it means that loop is exist. Otherwise if there is a no anywhere is found and we reach up to last in means our second pointer is second pointer, it will become the null. It means that we are the end of the loop, right? End of the node basically. In that case it will be return the false. Okay, I hope so got it right. Based on these two pointer movement we will identify loop is exist or not. So we'll jump into the code. So like what I explained, like a base condition, if head equal if given input itself is the null, then in that case we will say ki it's a no cycle, right? Because there is no cycle basically. This is the base condition, and this is the base condition only. And then I taken there is a two pointers which I explained. First pointer is the head and second is the head dot next, and this loop I running till be not reach at the end, or or this loop it will break if at any moment if we found key slow equal to fast, and or either the fast dot next equal to slow. Okay, then also it will be the kind of a statement will be true, because ideally it should not be happen basically, right? Means because every time fast is moving two a step ahead, so always it will be if it's a linear, then this condition it will be never match these two conditions. Okay, any of the condition it will not match. So here if it is a false, then in that case I just moving this data at the one step ahead, and this is the two a step ahead. If at any moment suppose that fast dot next not equal to null, or even though here we can say if means fast dot next not equal to null, then this loop it will break. So either you can put here, or this condition you can move here. Okay, so let's see. Now now if this is not, then lastly it will be return the false. So for the simplicity purpose, just what I done here, I created the node value. It doesn't matter value, anything you can keep it. But here if you will see 6 node I created, and I linking this 6 node, and in the last here I am making the loop. Means last node is pointing to the A. It can be point to anyone. And then after that we are trying to find the cycle. So if you will see here, we are getting the true, and after at this point means whenever I commenting this one, it means that we removing the loop. So when we remove the loop, then this function will return the false. Okay. So I hope you got the clear idea. Idea is very simple. Keep the two pointer, move second pointer, and every time check that fast is reached means equal fast reference, and means these two pointer references is equal or near to equal. Then in that case, return the it's a true. It's have the loop. Otherwise, you will return the recursively. You will return the false. So thank you.